What's up, everybody? It's yours truly again, Deacon the Velvet Voice at Deacon Blade on Twitter, with an inside look at the newly announced. This thing's just announced today. EA Access, baby. And I'm giving you the first look right here. The first look before anybody else gives you the first look. You're getting the first look from yours truly. I know you love me for that, right? You gotta go Velvet, go to at Deacon Blade on Twitter and tell me how much you love me for giving you this inside access to the EA Access Hub. So for those of you who don't know, EA Access, it's a subscription service, right? It's a subscription service between EA and Microsoft. They're the two that are allowing this particular program, and it's actually a program from Microsoft, right? So when you agree to the terms, you will be agreeing to a Microsoft program. Yes, it has EA's games and EA and all this other kind of stuff on there, but if you read the fine print, they will tell you this is a Microsoft thing. So big kudos to Phil Spencer and the boys out at Microsoft for giving something like this. I happen to think that this is a great thing, right? Let me just break it down for you, right? EA Access is a subscription service to EA's library of games. You know, they're calling it the Vault. So if you sign up for this thing, which is $4.99 per month if you want to do it monthly, or you can do like smart people do and buy a yearly subscription to this thing for just $29.99. I don't know how that translates to other countries, so I'm just speaking US. So it's $5 a month or it's $39 a year. And what this does for you, if you subscribe to it, is give you access to all of EA's games. Right now, the Vault, which is what they're calling it, gives you access to FIFA 14, Madden NFL 25, Peggle 2, Battlefield 4. So right off the bat, it's worth the money, right? You've got access to those games, and EA has already said they have no plans to take these games out of the Vault. They're going to continue to add games to the Vault. So I just so happen to think it's a no-brainer. You need to get this. If you're a fan of sports games, if you're a fan of EA's titles, this is definitely something that you need in your life, right? Get that EA Access Hub in your life. So in addition to having access to their older titles, you know, like FIFA 14 and all that good stuff, you get a 10% discount on new games. Some of these new games include Dragon Age Inquisition. I'm hoping that it's going to include Shadow of Mordor. It better. And along with a 10% discount, you also get a 5-day head start on newly released games. So you'll be able to play these games, new games, right? Madden 15. Hello, you get to play those games 5 days before they even hit retail stores. And you'll be able to download these games, play them. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it is freaking awesome. So I'm just going to give you an inside look at EA Access Hub right now. I just installed the app. Thank you to Microsoft. Big shout out to M Interrupted. Connected to EA servers, of course. Yeah, you got to do that. Connect to those servers, baby. So I'm doing this just right off the cuff. So hopefully there isn't going to be any personal information of mine that you guys are going to see. I dropped my controller. And so there you see the subscriptions, right? It's 12 months for $29.99 and 1 month for $4.99. You can actually use the code. So apparently EA is going to be giving you guys codes for some way, somewhere, some fashion, or whatever have you. And it, again, lets you know what the service is all about. EA Access brings you great EA games for a great price. Download and play an evolving collection of EA titles for Xbox One at any time in the Vault. Benefits include EA games in the Vault, but I won't read all that good stuff. We'll just jump right into the subscription. I'm actually going to do, yeah, a 12-month subscription. I mean, because I don't even play a lot of EA sports games, right? You guys gotta love me because of this, man, right? Nobody's giving you this whole thing like I'm giving it to you. What did that do? You have a 12-month subscription and it renews on August 1st, 2015. I can actually go manage my membership. Just see what that's all about. Oh, that's just going to kick you back to all of this. Okay, these are my active subscriptions. I've got Xbox Live Go, Xbox Music Pass, and an EA Access Pass. Now, the way that you get to this is you go to your settings, you go to System, and you click on Subscriptions, and it'll give you an active detail of all the subscriptions that you're currently under. And this is probably the start of something either huge or ridiculously annoying for people out there. I can see a lot of people with access to a lot of different subscriptions. But anyway, that's EA Access, and I'm going to try and figure out how you get access to the games. Okay, let's see. Welcome to EA Access. Play the best of EA, blah, 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 blah. And there's a cool little montage of EA titles. Continue to home. Let's go, baby. And there we are, EA Access. You can download Madden 25. I already have that right now. I can get 10% off of EA UFC. I can buy Garden Warfare for that. I can do Battlefield 4, get 10% off Battlefield 4. Let's see. Let's browse the vaults, shall we? And let's see how they've got this thing set up. Peggle 2, Madden, FIFA, and Battlefield 4, right? Those are your vault games. Now, I actually don't have FIFA 14, Peggle 2, or Battlefield 4, but you know what? Despite all of the controversy and the trouble that Battlefield 4 has had, I've been wanting to play this game because I'm a Frostbite fan, right? So I'm a big DICE fan, big Frostbite fan. So we're going to do this. We're going to download Battlefield 4 courtesy of EA Access. And I'm in, ladies and gentlemen. There you see it. It's not charging me anything. I'm going to install this bad boy right now. Anyway, this is Deacon. This has been your first look at EA Access. You didn't get it anywhere else but here. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe in the top right corner. See you later, boys and girls.